sleeping in the rain. I walked up to a great man to give him a line of talk. He said, if you got money, boy, I'll see that you don't walk. I haven't got a nickel, not a penny can I show. Get off, you railroad bum, slam that boxcar door. Ole, ole, ole. Well, they let me off in Texas. I stayed out dearly loved. White oak spaces all around me, old moon and stars up above. Nobody seemed to want me more than lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, boy, I'm going back to Dixieland. Though my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain, away from home, just waiting for a train. Ole, ole, well, let me off in Texas, said state I dearly love. Wide open spaces all around me, the moon and the stars up above. Oh, nobody seems to want me or to lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, I'm going back to Dixieland. Though my pocketbook is empty, oh, and my heart is full of pain.